Hello, everybody. My name is Brenda Pacheco, and I will be presenting for my Communication 105 class here at LAPU. I will be discussing the importance of eye contact and why I think it is important. So let's start with the first slide. So what does eye contact mean? So when you're presenting in front of people, it is crucial to have eye contact with everybody in your audience, not just one specific person. What you're trying to do is you're trying to bond with your audience, and you want your audience to feel more secure and engage with what you're saying and your presentation. What you want to try to avoid doing is feeling that one specific person feel awkward or even uncomfortable if you just keep staring at that one person. So it is crucial to always have eye contact with everybody. Why should I have eye contact with the audience? You want your audience to be entertained with what you're saying. You don't want them to be bored. The first signs that you will notice is if someone is not paying attention to you, is that they will begin to talk to other people next to them. They will also begin to look down at whatever is distracting them, and they will probably even start laughing at what you're saying. They will think that it's funny if you're not presenting the correct or the right way. The audience is ready to listen to your speech and learn from what you're saying, so you should always feel and seem confident when you are presenting. So, how do I improve eye contact? It's always important to keep a smile on your face no matter what. No matter how nervous you're feeling or how scared you're feeling inside, just remember to always keep that smile going. As I stated, you always want to look at your audience and not just make eye contact with one specific person. You always want to pace back and forth, as I'm doing right now. This will help you feel a little bit more relieved inside, or at least it helps me feel a little bit more secure when I'm presenting. And you always want to be looking at everybody in the audience when doing this. And the last thing is you always want to stay calm, relaxed, and just take a deep breath before you're presenting and everything will be fine. So, what should I avoid when I'm presenting? If you are using note cards to help you do your presentation, you shouldn't be staring at your note cards the whole time. You shouldn't be like this, because what the key here is that you want to be looking at your note cards, but also looking up at the crowd and making eye contact. Another thing that you should avoid doing is you should not try to memorize your speech, because if you do, eventually you will begin to stutter because you will be forgetting the letter word by word. So you should just let it flow, naturally. So how will eye contact benefit me in the future? 1, you will get better grades for maintaining eye contact with your peers. You will also be more confident when you're presenting, and your audience will have trust in you, and they will be more engaged with everything that you're saying, because that way they will be trusting everything that you're saying. So these are a couple facts that I found that I want to share with you guys. The first fact is that face-to-face communication is a complex and important aspect of human behavior. This is really true because, when you first meet someone in person, you always want to have that face-to-face. What you're trying to do is build that trust amongst you guys. That is very important. Also, the next fact that I have here for you guys is eye contact is powerful in any human interaction. When accomplished artfully and concordant with the accompanying verbal communication, the other feels attended to and trusted. As I stated, so the whole thing about eye communication is just having the other person trust you. This will help you always in the future, when you're presenting, and it will just let everything flow naturally. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed my presentation. This has been my presentation in regards to the importance of eye contact. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed my presentation, and thanks so much for watching. These are a list of my references as well, for the facts that I just stated earlier. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.